I make the video for you. Now the TV pad not turn on. I go to turn on the power in here. You see? I turn on now. Okay. I use the hand turn on the power because the remote control no working. Okay, you see the TV now okay, right? Running. Okay, you see the light now is blue light is turned on, but I not use the remote control turn on. Okay, now okay the TV okay, you see my use the remote control. You see the picture remote control. I want to this side right side move the to the my app, but you see what okay one time okay one more time okay go to here and then I want turn on the go back on the here on go back. I show you the go back here, right? No, right? Not go back, right? Okay, maybe I go to the home. Okay, you see my turn on, slow turn on. Okay, no good. Okay, I want turn on the power, maybe turn on the power. See? No. Nah, I try again. Power, no. No working, all no working. You see? You go to where? No working. On here, no working. Everything, no working. This side, no working. On the top, no working. All no working. This no working. I turn off this TV pad. I use the hand to my here the power. Okay. No light now. This no working. The remote control is not working.